Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is this chicken and vegetables concoction. I've seen it the other day on my friend's Instagram story, so if you're watching, hi Anissa, thank you so much for this recipe. And it's a very easy, simple recipe. I didn't really follow every step. Like, I followed the steps, but I've made my own twist and added some stuff to suit my preferences, and I'll show you guys how to make it. This recipe we're going to use for the vegetables, we have 2 potatoes cubed, we have 2 carrots cut this way, 2 courgettes, and a red bell pepper or capsicum. And we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of canola oil for the vegetables and 2 for the chicken, so in total 3 tablespoons. We're gonna need salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. We're using crushed black pepper, and a teaspoon of vegetable bzad. This is what it looks like, and if you live in the UAE you can get it in Union Cope. And then the chicken, here we have half a kilogram of chicken cut into smaller pieces. We have 2 small onions, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon herbe de Provence, and salt, and half a teaspoon of each white pepper, crushed black pepper, ginger powder, turmeric, and smoked Spanish paprika. You can also use regular paprika or chili powder. We're going to start by preparing our vegetables. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to put in our potatoes, our carrots, our courgette, and our red pepper or capsicum. We're going to add our spices for the vegetables, so our salt and pepper and our vegetable bzad. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're using this which came with our air fryer to measure the oil. And we're just going to mix it to incorporate all the ingredients together. Now we're going to add our vegetables to our air fryer. And we're just going to spread them evenly so they cook. So we're just going to close it, and we're going to switch on our air fryer until the vegetables cook. Placing our pot on medium heat, and we're waiting for it to heat up. So now we add in our oil. So after it has heated, we now add our onions, and we're going to saute them for a little bit. So after they turned a little translucent, we add our garlic, and we saute it a little more. So after mixing our garlic with the onion, we add in our chicken. So after everything has sauteed together, we add in our soy sauce and all of our spices, and we mix it together. You can smell all the spices together, and that smells amazing. Like, just the chicken and onion smells amazing, but the spices added this amazing smell. So lastly, we add in our herbe de Provence, and we just mix it really well and let it all cook together. Lastly, before we cover it, we add in our hot water. Just a cup is enough. So we let it cook for, I don't know, it can take, depends on how much chicken you have and the size, but I think it's gonna take us 20 minutes. So after the vegetables have cooked, now we're just going to add them to our chicken, which has also cooked. So now we're going to mix them and let them cook together just so that all the flavors can infuse with each other. Going to let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes maximum, and we're just going to switch them off the heat. So this is what the final product looks like. I am so glad I added other vegetables because I feel like it gave it this pop of color, this vibrancy, which I really like in my food. So let's try this. So I'll try to get a little bit of everything, but I don't think that's possible. The taste, the flavors, the textures, they all work together to make this amazing dish. So I'm so glad I tried this, and I would also highly recommend that you guys try it too. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much, Anissa, for this amazing recipe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!